UBX is a microcap cryptocurrency that haven't seen so much action in the recent times, but it might be on the verge of a new explosion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is King, your host, and today's video is for pure educational purposes. If it's your first time on the channel and you happen to like my content, please consider subscribing and smashing the like button. Also share it if you think it's worth sharing. Let's look at the charts. Now I have to say that I was so ignorant towards this coin at first, but the amount of times it was mentioned in the comments on Twitter and other social media platforms made me very curious to go and try to understand why people are so interested on it. And the reason lies in its first rally that it did this year. Now the reason I'm using CoinMarketCap here because we don't have much data on the chart prior to April of 2021. However, if you look at the CoinMarketCap chart, you will see that the initial rally of UBX took it all the way from 0.00001 all the way to 0.005, and that's about 500 times what you have invested, or in other words, it's 50,000% return on investment, which is way bigger growth than any other cryptocurrency that I've seen in the market. So basically the reason behind the interest in this coin is that people believe that the same scenario that happened over here is likely going to repeat in the next bull run that's gonna happen soon. As we speak, UBX or UBIX network is ranked at 606 on CoinMarketCap and has a market cap of $42 million, which means there's a decent room for growth over here. But the only concerning thing is the circulating supply, which is 45 billion coins, and that stands at 5% only of its total supply. Now, if more of these coins are being released in the market, that's definitely going to impact the price negatively. But that still remains to be seen. Now let's go to the chart and see what we should be expecting next. UBX started dropping down after its initial rally back in April, and it has taken a big and massive hit over here. However, we have been seeing some signs that are telling us a new rally would likely be coming soon. The drop in price that started in April have ended right at this point on the 19th of July. But since then, UBX has started forming higher highs and higher lows, and that's the most basic concept that we count on to tell if there's a reversal. So after reaching its all-time low at this point, it had a small rally that was rejected around the yellow area, which is a strong resistance. Now the price has went down again from that point. However, it did not break the previous low, which means it has formed a higher low, and that's an initial confirmation that the trend may be reversing. But we still need one last confirmation in order for us to be able to confirm that the trend is going into reversal, and this confirmation has to be forming a higher high, higher than the previous high which was formed here in August. Now the price is very close to the resistance area and could possibly face some rejection around this point here. However, if it manages to break outside this resistance area, which was tested twice before, and go and close above this point, so we can say then that we had a reversal and now we're in a new uptrend from this point onwards. So what we should be looking at next is a breakout of this level, of this resistance level, which was tested twice before, in August and in May of this year. And because we don't have much resistance after this point here, so as soon as we break out and close above this resistance area, we might see the price going all the way to retest its previous all-time high, and that's a strong possibility. But the question remains, if we break out this resistance area, how far are we going to go from this point onwards? To answer that question, let us plot one Fibonacci retracement level over here and see where the 1.618 will be standing. And there you have it. It stands at 1 cent 0.2, which means if the price ends up going from here all the way towards the 1.618 Fibonacci level. So we'll see the price retesting the level of the 1 cent point 2, and this would likely be the end of this cycle for UBX. But it could also not go all the way towards that level, and it might just go back again to retest its previous all-time high and then start dropping from there. So that is all subject to the momentum and the volume that UBX will be getting from this point onwards. But in both cases, if either of these scenarios happen, we are likely to see a decent return on investment on this coin. Now, I have to say that you're a very special subscriber or viewer because you're still watching till this point. So if you like this video, please make sure to leave a comment and hit the like button. And also tell me in the comments below if there is any other coin that I should be looking at in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and until next video, stay safe and see you later.